Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today, we are going to start Chapter 7, Wind on the Hill. Now, look at the ponder. Ponder is given on page number 55. Here, you can see the picture is shown on your screen. The wind is something we cannot see, but we can definitely feel it. Sam is out with his pet dog Bruno and a kite. Color this picture to show the wind blowing. Here you can see, we know that we cannot see wind, definitely, but we can feel it. Here you can see, picture is shown on your screen of a boy, kite and dog. Here the name of a boy is Sam here, and his pet dog named Bruno and a kite. My dear students, you have to color this picture to show the wind blowing. I hope you all will do. You all will color it beautifully at your home. Now, next thing, did you know? Here one more thing is given on the same page. Anemometers. Anemometers are instrument used to measure wind speed. It is an instrument used to measure wind speed. Short bursts of wind moving at high speed are known as gusts. Now, one more thing is given on the same page. Have you ever been out on a windy day? What is that you enjoy most about a windy day? Discuss. Okay, we will discuss this later. Now, we are going to start our chapter 7, Wind on the Hill. Now, come to the page number 56. Here you can see, now we are going to discuss about the poet A. Milne. Here the full form of A. is Alan Alexander Milne. Alan Alexander Milne was born on 1882 and died on 1956. He was an English poet, novelist and playwright. His best known works are his two collections of children's poetry. First one, When We Were Young, and second one, Now We Are Six. And his two books of stories about the teddy bear, Winnie the Pooh and his friends. Now, this is all about the poet. Now we are going to discuss about the poem. Here, my dear students, we know that wind is a unique phenomenon. While we are unable to see it, but we can feel it. Where we are unable to see it, we can feel it and see the result of it blowing. Now, here, Wind on the Hill shows a child grappling with his understanding. Here, A. Milne talks about the power of wind which is unseen by everyone in the world. Now, we are going to start our poem by reading. First four lines. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. Here, the poet is a small boy who thinks about the wind and comes to the conclusion that wind is something which no one has ever seen and no one can tell us. Nobody knows that where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. I am repeating once again, my dear students. First 4 line. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. Here the poet is a small boy like you who thinks about the wind and comes to the conclusion that wind is something which no one has ever seen and nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. Okay, now come to the next 4 line. It's flying from somewhere as fast as it can. I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. It is flying from somewhere as fast as it can. I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. Here, the small boy said that it's flying from somewhere as fast as it can. He could not keep up with it. Here, keep up with means match the speed with wind, not if I ran. The poet want to say that if I want to match up with the speed of wind, but I could not. If I ran also, then I could not keep up with wind. And I don't know, it's flying from somewhere as fast as it can, but I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. Now come to the next page, page number 57. Here you can see a beautiful picture is shown on your screen. First 4 line of page number 57. But if I stopped holding the string of my kite, it would blow with the wind for day and a night. Here the boy said that if I stopped holding the string of my kite, it would blow with the wind for a day and night. Here the boy want to say that the kite find a way to feel the wind and know about its direction. And when the boy would hold the kite, the power of the wind make it fly it in the air over a day and night. That is why the boy said here that if I stopped holding the string of my kite, it would blow with the wind for day and a night. Okay, now next 4 line. And then when I found it, wherever it blew, I should know that the wind had been going there too. Here the boy said that and then when I found it, where it blew. Here the boy want to say that if I know the direction that in which the kite would fly, which tell the direction in which the kite would fly, will tell the direction of the blowing wind. So here boy said that and then when I found it, whenever it blew, I should know that the wind had been going there through. Okay, now 4th one, last stanza, 4th line. Here 4 line. So then I could tell them where the wind goes. So then I could tell them where the wind goes. But where the wind comes from, nobody knows. Here the boy said that if I want to know the direction of the wind, where the wind comes from, the direction in which the kite would fly, will tell the direction in which the kite would fly, will tell the direction of blowing wind, then When the boy would hold the kite, the power of wind make it fly in the air. So the boy would be able to tell anyone the direction of the wind with the help of the kite. Okay, so here, so then I means the boy could tell them where the wind goes, but where the wind comes from, nobody knows. Nobody knows where the wind comes from. Here the poem talks about the hidden inspiration which is not seen and analyzed until an external force is applied in it. Hence, we need to understand our potential and try to enhance them like this boy. My dear students, I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. I am going to read once again your poem. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from, where the wind goes. It's flying from somewhere as fast as it can. I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. Next, but if I stop holding the sting of my kite, it would blow with the wind for day and night. And then when I found it, wherever it blew, I should know that the wind had been going there too. So then I could tell them where the wind goes. But where the wind comes from, nobody knows. Now, it's time for your homework, my dear students. I want to remind you one thing, that you have to comment in the comment section for your attendance. It is mandatory for all the students. Now, I am going to give you your homework. Your homework is hard word. Your first word is anemometer. A-N-A-E-M-O-M-E-T-E-R. Anemometer. Second word is instrument. Instrument. I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T. Instrument. Third word, brush. B-U-R-S-T-S. Now, fourth word, A-A, milne. A-A-M-I-L-N-E, milne. Now, next word, novelist. N-O-V-E-L-I-S-T, novelist. Next word, playwriter. Playwriter. Next word, collection. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-O-N, collection. Next word, poetry. P-O-E-T-R-Y, poetry. Now the next word is Winnie the Pooh. V-I-N-N-I-E-T-H-E-P-O-O-H. Winnie the Pooh. Now your next word is cylindrical. C-Y-L-I-N-T-R-I-C-A-L, cylindrical. Next word, glitter. G-L-I-T-T-E-R, glitter. Your last word is observation. O-B-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N, observation. This is your homework, my dear students. I hope you all will do your homework at your home. And I also hope that you all are doing your previous homework also, and you are completing your notes at your home. Please do your work on time and learn your question answer of previous question, and do your today's chapter, that is Wind on the Hill. Do your hard work in your notebook. Thank you so much. God bless you.